I'm out in the great blizzard of 2011, February 1st, about 10:30 at night. Let's see if check out how deep this is. There's my car. If we go over here, we can see some steps. Up there's my door to my house. Let's see if we get in the light, we can kind of get an idea of where my feet go in here. So it's just below my kneecap, really. Here's my knee. I guess it's good 6 inches to go before it's up to my knees. It's supposed to be going pretty much the rest of the night. But the thing that's really neat is just the amount of wind. It's a cool little pattern of the ripples. Sidewalks.